Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 2.9 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. Let's have a question. A photon of wavelength 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters strikes on metal surface. The work function of the metal being 2.13 electron volt. Now calculate. The first part is energy of the photon. Second is the kinetic energy of the emission. And the third part is the velocity of the photoelectron if 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Now come up to with the first part. So here what the scene is, there is a metal surface and the photon of a wavelength 10 to the power minus 4 strike on it. Because of this, electrons from the metal sheet coming out. Now we need to search. First part is the energy of the photon. So we have a formula H is equal to H mu, where H is a Planck's constant and mu is the frequency. But frequency is not given here, so we will write in place of mu c by lambda, where c is the speed of light and lambda is the wavelength that is given here. So now putting the values in the formula, H Planck's constant value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, into C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which in turn divided by lambda 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Now meter per second and second cancel out. We'll multiply 6.626 with the 3, we will get the value. It will be 19.878 divided by 4. Now taking all the powers, 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power. Now minus 7 from denominator will go up and turn to 7. Now taking all the powers, 8 plus 7 is equal to plus 15 and minus 34 plus 15, it comes minus 19. And we will divide 19.878 with the 4, we will get the value 4.97 into 10 to the power is minus 19 joule. But the answer is asked in electron volt. So now we will convert this joule to electron volt. So as it is given, we knew that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So from here we can say 1 joule is equal to 1 upon 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. Now putting this value in place of joule, 4.97 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. So this will be cancelled, and after doing division we will get the answer here, 3.10 electron volt. This is the answer for the first part of the question. Now come up to the second part, the kinetic energy of the emission. So kinetic energy, we can say kinetic energy, its formula is 1 by 2 mv square, and along with this its formula is h mu minus h mu naught, where h mu is the energy of the photon and h mu naught is the work function. Work function is the energy which is required to bring the electron out from its atom. So here work function is given and h mu or energy we counted, it is 3.10 electron volt minus h mu 0 is given work function. Work function's value is 2.13. We will get the answer after doing minus 0.97 electron volt. Now this is the second part of the question. The answer is this. Come up to the third part. Third part, the velocity of the photoelectrons. So velocity as we knew that 1 by 2 mv square, that is kinetic energy, it is equal to 0.97 electron volt we got in the second part. This only we will use. So in place of electron volt we will write the joule. 0.97 into 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now it comes as a joule. So in place of, now putting the values, now 1 by 2, m is electron, mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg multiplied by v square. V is a velocity here, is equal to 0.97 into 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Now from here we will get the value of v square. V square is equal to 0.97 into 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiplied by 2, and it is divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and this is joule. Now from here, after doing all the calculations, we will get the value of v square is equal to 334.1 into 10 to the power 10, and from here we will get the value of v, that will be under root 34.1 into 10 to the power 10. It will be like something 5.84 meter per second. This is the velocity of the photoelectrons. So this is the third part of this question. We have solved, easy to calculate. So friends, keep learning and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you.